Hello children. Children, here I am going to explain give and take question answer. So here you can see what is written in the question. A teacher kept a note of which fruits the students like in her school. This is what she found. So here we have the note. Now children, here what is written, this is first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and this one is first row, second row, third row, and this one is the fourth row. Now children, you can see here 136 girls like to eat oranges, 240 girls like to eat mangoes, and 128 boys like to eat oranges, and 243 boys like to eat mangoes. Now here we have to solve these questions. So I am solving first question, and first question is how many students in the school like oranges. So children, here answer of first question I am going to write over here, answer A. So here your question is how many students in the school like oranges. So children, here you can see number of girls who like oranges is 136 and number of boys is 128. Okay, so what we will do here children, we will add these two numbers. So 6 plus 8 equals 40. 4 you will write over here, 1 will be added to the next column. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So here children your answer will be 264. What you have done here, you have added number of girls who like oranges. Okay, and answer is, first I am going to write the number of boys who like oranges equals 128. Now what you have done, you have added both the numbers, and here your answer is 264. Okay, so here what you will write children, here you will write answer is 264. Total students who like oranges equals 264. Now moving to the next question, answer B. Now here your question is children, how many students in the school like mangoes. So here you can see children, 240 girls like mangoes and 243 boys like mangoes. So what you will do here, you will do addition, 4 plus 4 8, and here 2 plus 2 4. So here your answer will be 483. You will write here 240 plus 243 equals 483, and here you will write 483 students in the school like mangoes. Students in the school like mangoes. Okay, so here I have written the answer. Now next question is answer C. This one question, all together how many students are there in the school. So what you have to do children, you have to count total number of boys and total number of girls. So for this children, all together how many students are there in the school, what you will do, you will add 136 and 240. What you will get children, you will get 376. Next you will add boys, and total boys equals 371. So here children, what you all will do, you can add this side also and this side also. So by adding this side and this side, both the side, you will be getting the same answer, and your answer is what, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 4, 1 will be added to the next column. So here children your answer is 747. So here I am writing the answer 747. Total number of students, total students in the school equals 747. Okay, now last question, this is your C part, and now last question, answer D. So what you have done in question number C children, you have added total number of boys and total number of girls. Now I am going to explain question D. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So children, when you have added number of girls who like oranges and number of girls who like mangoes, what you have got? You have got 376. Now you have to tell whether 376 is greater than 350 or less than 350. So it is greater than 350. So your question is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So here you will write number of girls are more than number of girls are more than 350. Okay. So in this way you all will do these questions. With this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.